Holly plants have long been a symbol of Christmas and are a frequent reference in folklore, carrying with them many interpretations of luck. Ilex is still commonly used in Christmas decorations such as wreaths, and in the past some families would even have a holly bush in their home instead of a fir tree. But imagine the injuries you would sustain trying to hang decorations on a holly tree. Holly is great for providing food and shelter to British wildlife. Birds such as blackbirds, chaffinches, robins and waxwings feast on the bright red berries, and all varieties of holly plants provide a good source of nectar and pollen for bees. An important